Today we all are gonna to participate in group speech competition, and I have three partners. First, Mr. Aryan Paul. Second, Mr. Ans Mudanwal, and third, Mr. Himanshu. And
Problem. Anyone has a problem?
तूफानों से आंखें मिलाना सीख लो, हर दर्द में मुस्कुराना सीख लो। क्या हुआ जो लोग तेरा साथ ना दे, क्या हुआ जो लोग तेरा साथ ना दे, खुद को खुद का सहारा बनाना सीख।
आपकी सफलता का समाधान क्या है, यह बात आपके सलाहकार पर निर्भर करता है, क्योंकि दुर्योधन शकुनी से सलाह लेता था और अर्जुन श्री कृष्ण से।
शाम की तरह ढलते रहिए, जिंदगी एक भोर है, सूरज की तरह निकलते रहिए। एक पांव पर रुकोगे तो थक जाओगे, धीरे धीरे ही सही पर चलते रहिए। मुश्किलों से भाग जाना आसान होता है, जिंदगी का हर पहलू इम्तिहान होता है। डरने वालों को कुछ नहीं मिलता जिंदगी में, और लड़ने वालों के कदमों में सारा जहान होता है। So first and foremost, a very warm good morning one and all presented here. I myself Anurag Yadav and I belong to Iconic Group. Today we all are gonna to participate in group speech competition, and I have three partners. First, Mr. Aryan Paul. Second, Mr. Ans Mudanwal, and third, Mr. Himanshu. And today we all are gonna to talk about. We all are gonna to make you understand about a very important, very motivational topic. That topic is problem. Problem is a very important part of our life, because problem is the first step to get success. If you are doing hard work, if you are doing struggle for your success, then problem must come. And if problem is not coming, so it's mean you are not doing struggle, you are not doing hard work in right way. And when problem came, then it teach us a lot of things, like how we have to face the problem, how we have to cross that problem. Suppose this is a way and I am standing here, and there is my school, and in the way there is a big dig. Dig is a problem and I have to cross that problem. So firstly I will think that what will I have to do. Then after some time I go back and came quickly and I jumped and crossed that dig. What happened? I crossed the problem. I get my goal after facing that problem. And if in future this type of problem will come, so I don't have to think a lot, I don't have to waste my time for solving that problem. And I want to give some examples. Like, do you know who is the god of basketball? Who? Who is the god of basketball? No. The person who faced many difficulties, the person who faced many problems in his life, his name is Michael Jordan. When he was in his school, at that time, his teacher told to him that you are unable for playing this game. But that person didn't give up. He didn't think that I have to lose anyone. He thinks I have to defeat myself, which I was earlier from. I have to improve myself today. And then he did like that, and he became the expert in that game in which his teacher told to him that you are unable for playing. And he has only one thought, that if today you defeat yourself, so tomorrow you can win the world. Nobody has power that he can stop you for achieving your goal. If you do like this,
तूफानों से आंखें मिलाना सीख लो, हर दर्द में मुस्कुराना सीख लो। क्या हुआ जो लोग तेरा साथ ना दे, क्या हुआ जो लोग तेरा साथ ना दे, खुद को खुद का सहारा बनाना सीख। So yes, ladies and gentlemen, as my captain shared to you some examples. So I also want to tell you something about this topic. So are you ready for listening my word? In our world, there are many type of person who have a lot of problems, but they are facing. Some people have money problem, some people have education problem, some people have relationship problem, but they didn't give up. They are facing, and I want to tell a story with example. So once upon a time, there was a jungle. In that jungle, many type of animal were lived there. And one day jungle got a fire, and every animal started trying to blow out the flame. In those animals there was a small bird also. Then people saw him. Then he said he can't blow out the flame. We don't have to think that problem is big or small. It doesn't matter. Even then you are facing problem. Even then if you are facing difficulties, it can be happen. You can't be it can be happen. You can't be success, but you make the history. You can be an example. If a small bird can do, so why can we not do? So ladies and gentlemen, that's why I am saying that it doesn't matter problem is big or small, but we should have to try and face the problem. At last I want to say a शायरी, विकल्प बहुत मिलेंगे मार्ग भटकाने के लिए, विकल्प बहुत मिलेंगे मार्ग भटकाने के लिए, लेकिन संकल्प एक ही काफी है मंजिल तक जाने के लिए।
Yes, guys. As you listening right, as my partner told to you about a very unique example. The same way, I am going to speak a amazing matter. My matter is that problem. Anyone has a problem. I have problem, he has problem, you have problem, she has problem. Every people has a money problem. Virat Kohli had a many problem, but he did not lose. And this time he is the best cricketer in the world. So we should not run away for the problem. So that's it. Okay.
Yes, guys, you listen absolutely right. Just whatever you listen and whatever my sympathizer told to you about problem. Mr. Aryan told that about a single word. He told that if a single bird can face their problem, if a single creature can face their problem, so why can we not? If a single bird can face their problem, so why we cannot do? Its meaning is that in this world, everyone can face their problem, everyone can chase their problem, everyone can fight their problem. And Mr. Ans told that about a great cricketer, and this cricketer name is Mr. Virat Kohli. He told that he did hard work and he became a very great cricketer of this world. So the same way, guys, I also want to share some things about a problem. Everyone has idea that problem is everywhere. We can see, we can find everywhere. Wherever we will go in this world, we must find problem. Because in this life, in this world, in this manifestation, everyone has problem. If we have to face the problem, so we will have to think our problem. And I want to say an example. Problem is a problem only for simple person. Problem is a problem only for the simple person. If you are thinking problem is in reality it's a problem, so you are living in illusion. It's your blunder mistake. If you are thinking problem is a problem, so it's your blunder mistake. So what we have to think that it's not a problem, it's a chance. What we have to think, it's a chance. So just we all have to think it's not a problem. We have to convert into the chance. So guys, just I want to say some example. When today we came here, it's mean in this academy. So I see a thing that I noticed a thing, I regarded a thing that I have white shirt. And Mr. Aryan has also white shirt. And he has also white shirt. So I told my captain, you have no white shirt. So he replied with that, Firstly, we have to think here it's a problem. Yeah, am I right or not? It's a problem. But he told that I am a captain of this team, so I should look some different. So I should look some unique. Its mean is that he convert into the chance. He convert. It was problem. He convert into the chance. The same way we have to think our problem. The same way we have to deem our problem. That it's not a problem. That it's not a problem. It's a chance. Only we have to convert. Only we have to convert. So I want to share a second example, and my example is that. Firstly, I want to share some line कि आपकी सफलता का समाधान क्या है. यह बात आपके सलाहकार पर निर्भर करता है, क्योंकि दुर्योधन शकुनी से सलाह लेता था और अर्जुन श्री कृष्ण से. So and I want to say a thing which told Mr. Rohit sir. Yes sir. There was a student who read in this academy, who studied in this academy, and his brother also wanted to read in this academy, but his brother did not ask his elder brother. He asked his friend, and his friend told that this academy is not good. This academy is not good. His friend told to him. So sir told that if you have to learn English, so you should ask who has knowledge about English. If you have to get good knowledge, so you have to ask for that person who has knowledge about English. If you will ask to tea seller, so that will say you should open a tea shop. That tea seller will say that you should open a tea shop, because that person will say that in this shop there's no more problem, there's no more difficulties. Why that shop seller selling like this? Because they are doing this that's work, and that person has idea about that work. That's why that will say that you do this. It means which I told आपकी समस्या का समाधान किसके क्या है, यह आपके सलाहकार पर निर्भर करता है. So in last, I want to share a very unique example which is very famous on social media. So there was a person and he had a girlfriend, and after spending few months, his girlfriend left to him. His girlfriend break up, and then after he was between made, he was always thinking about her, and he was always troubling about her. He was thinking it was problem for that person. It was problem for that person, and he went his friend. He went to a scholar person who has idea that how I can convert problem into challenge. So he went his friend, and then after he told this all story, this all matter, and then after his friend, that scholar person, told to him, when your girlfriend have you, that time you can meet only that girlfriend. But in this time, your girlfriend is not have you. It means is that you can meet to anyone. It means is that in this time, present time, you can meet to any girlfriend, anyone. So it means is that how we have to face our problem. If we are facing problem, so we can get everything. If we are face a lot of problem, so we must become a thing. And if you will face regular problem, so you can become some unique. You can increase your quality. You can become adroit. It means is that expert. So that's all. So guys, whatever we told to all of you, these all things we want to share in a one single sentence. So whatever happens, no matter what, come guys. Chase the problem, face the problem, and participate the problem.